Okay, today we're going to have a demonstration of a Kent 3-axis surface grinder. This is a 16 by 30 size, or 800 millimeter by 400. It's also known as the KG84, meaning 800 by 400 millimeter work area on the chuck. So this machine is currently wired for 220 volts. We have a power unit in the rear, cooling system on the side. This is the control panel for putting in the amount of down feed, emergency stop, on and off, your spindles, magnetic chuck controller. I'm going to turn the magnetic chuck on. It's variable speed. You can go up and down. When it's all green, that's 100%. We also have a demag and the length of time the demag cycle takes to complete. So I'm going to take the e-stop switch off and start this here. And we're going to go ahead and start the hydraulics, start the grinding wheel. I'll start the table. Keep in mind we have this up on a skid at the moment, so it's a little rocky. So there's your table going back and forth. If you wanted to have a cross feed, and we have cross feed where our saddle moves in and out. On the side of the machine are the dogs that you adjust to set the stroke of the saddle. When it gets to the one switch, it'll stop and then it'll reverse. Now it comes back this way. And in the surface grinding mode, automatic surface grinding mode, each time that reverses, the wheel would feed down. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that for now. And stop that. And put it in the plunge grinding mode, a slot grinding mode. Over here you set the amount of steps you want to make. On the side of the hand wheel here, you adjust the amount that each step is going to be. So when I start this up, we're going to count down to 6. You see the hand wheel here moves each time the table goes back and forth. Now again, this is a plunge grind, not as commonly used as the surface grinding mode, but a lot quicker in our video. So once it's completed the 6 passes, it will stop feeding altogether. You have a little beep that goes off. Now you would take it off automatic and take your parts off and check them. Also has another cycle. If we go turn it on again and start that. As we feed down. Now this amount of increment here is adjustable here to make that less. But once we complete the 6 passes, it does a spark out, depending on. And in the automatic, fully automatic, the wheel goes back up off the workpiece. Well, that'd be the end of the cycle. We also have a DRO up here for your down feed. And I think that's pretty much covered everything. This is the Kent KGS84 3-axis hydraulic surface grinder. Thank you very much.